Okay, let's fill out the I-9 Employment Eligibility Verification form together. The purpose of the I-9 is to give you a way to be employed through the United States. You have to complete an I-9. This was brought about by Homeland Security after to make it a little bit more safe and to make sure that people were not coming in the country that were not supposed to. If you would notice, I went ahead and I scrolled down to the actual form. This explains how to do it, but I'm going to explain it to you. It's very easy. You're going to put your last name, type your first name, and your middle initial. Maiden name is if you are married. It would have been your birth name that was given to you. Okay? Your address, whatever your address is, you fill it in. Your date of birth. Oh, you just want to know how old I am. I see. I'll just have to put a young year here. Yeah. Okay. Finishing with my address. You'll put your social security number. For our purposes, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess they don't want hyphens, do they? Okay. You'll say that you are a U.S. citizen. And then what you would do is you would print this out and simply sign and date it. And it's all you have to do to fill out an I-9 is complete the portion we did. Along with your I-9 to your employer, you have to give some sort of identification. You could use your school card, you could use voter registration card, your driver's license, your passport, anything, school record card, anything like that would work. So to complete your I-9, you complete the portion we did, and you would give them 2 forms of identification.